Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this Flutter video tutorial, we will talk about the InkWell. What is InkWell and how we work with InkWell? So let's know that. Widget that follow the material design guideline display a ripple animation when tapped. Flutter provides the InkWell widget to perform this effect. Create a ripple effect using the following step. Number 1. Create a widget that supports tab. Number 2. Wrap it in an InkWell widget to manage tab callbacks and ripple animations. So guys, let's go to our Android Studio and implement the InkWell widget. As you see guys, I prepare a simple empty project which has a main function and a stateless widget which return a material app and its home scaffold and has app bar and text with a title InkWell tutorial and in the body with empty container. So let's go inside container. We can give a child text which says hey everyone, and now let's save it. Now we can see that we have our text widget at the top left corner of our container. So how we can bring it at the center? By wrapping the container with a center widget. So now we can save it. Here is our text widget in the center of our container. So now let's give it a little bit style that it appear better. So how we can do that? As before, we know that we should use style, text style, and first the font size, make it 25, and let's save it. Now we can see that it appeared better. So guys, now when I click on this text widget, nothing happened. I cannot click that. So here the InkWell will come. We can wrap our container with InkWell that we can tap on this text widget and give it on tap functionality. So I can wrap it with widget and InkWell by typing InkWell. InkWell has a property on tap. That is the magic of InkWell, that we can tap on this kind of widgets. So for now, let's save it and let's see. Now we can see that I can tap on my text on the text widget. So let's give it a little bit padding that we can see the animation applied on the tab of text widget. I'm gonna wrap the text widget with a padding widget and edge inset of 12. Let's save it. So now when I click, there is a padding applied to the text widget. So guys, this is InkWell, that much simple, and whenever you need that, you can use the InkWell. So now let's go use some other properties of InkWell. So now when I click, there is a simple gray color. We can change the splash color here by going inside the InkWell and type splash color. We can give any color we want. Colors dot, for example, light blue, and let's save it. Now when I click on this, we can see a beautiful ripple animation splash color which applied on the tab of this text widget. So how we can change the background, the gray color which is on the background, we can see behind this splash color. So there is another property called highlight color. The highlight color gives the background color which is highlight color, also called tag colors dot. For example, I'm gonna take yellow for now to see it. Now if I click, you can see there is means a highlight color of yellow. Let's change it to green. Let's see how it looks like. Now we can see that the splash color is blue and light blue, and the highlight color is green. You can edit and what property you want to use on the inkwell, you can use it as you want. So now if you apply anything inside this on tab of this text widget, you can apply in here. So thank you guys. I hope you understand something. This inkwell is a very nice widget. Whenever we need, we can use on our application or on our project. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, please thumbs up, and see you on the next one with a new thing.